When embarking on the homeschooling journey, especially for families new to this educational path, equipping yourself with the right tools and supplies is fundamental. Each of the items listed plays a pivotal role in creating a nurturing, effective, and interactive learning environment. Let's delve deeper into why these tools are essential and how they contribute to a holistic educational experience. Alphabet eggs and flashcards transform learning the basics of language into an interactive and engaging activity. These tools cater to visual and kinesthetic learners, allowing them to physically manipulate letters to form words, which enhances memory and understanding. They are particularly effective for young learners beginning to recognize letters and sounds, providing a solid foundation for reading and spelling skills. Globes and maps are invaluable resources for teaching geography, history, and social studies. They offer a tangible way to explore the world, understand geographical locations, cultural differences, and historical events. Interactive globes that speak or offer digital features can further enhance learning, making complex concepts accessible and engaging for students of all ages. Understanding money and basic arithmetic is fundamental, and tools like Play Money and abacuses make these concepts accessible. Play Money can introduce concepts of currency, exchange, budgeting, and the basics of financial literacy. An abacus, on the other hand, reinforces counting, addition, subtraction, and even early multiplication and division, offering a tactile learning experience that supports numerical comprehension. Counting bears and base 10 blocks are excellent for visualizing and understanding numbers and operations. They help children grasp the concepts of color, counting, addition, subtraction, and place value in a hands-on manner. These manipulatives are versatile, supporting a range of mathematical concepts from basic counting to more complex operations, like regrouping in addition and subtraction. A dashed line maker can be a game changer for teaching writing, especially for younger students learning to write letters and numbers. It helps ensure consistent handwriting practice. Similarly, a teaching clock is indispensable for teaching how to tell time, understanding the concept of time, hours, minutes, and the passage of time, which are critical life skills. Magnetic letters are a versatile tool for teaching spelling, phonics, and word formation. They provide a tactile experience that reinforces learning through touch and sight, allowing students to manipulate letters to form words, enhancing spelling and phonetic skills. Fraction manipulatives demystify the complexities of fractions, making them easier to understand and visualize. By providing a hands-on way to explore parts of a whole, equivalence, addition, subtraction, and comparison of fractions, these tools make abstract concepts concrete. A personal whiteboard is an eco-friendly alternative to paper for practice and note-taking. It's perfect for working out math problems, practicing spelling, drawing diagrams, or any other activity that requires writing or drawing. Its reusability makes it ideal for daily learning activities. A homeschool planner is crucial for organization and planning. It helps in structuring daily, weekly, and monthly educational activities, tracking progress and planning lessons. This tool is invaluable for parents to stay organized and ensure a comprehensive educational experience. Organizers and storage solutions. Keeping educational materials organized and easily accessible is key to an efficient learning environment. Bookshelves, magazine holders, storage bins, and supply carts help maintain order, making the homeschooling space tidy and conducive to learning. A comfortable, dedicated learning space. Finally, the importance of a dedicated learning space cannot be overstated. It should be a place where students can focus, free from distractions, and comfortable enough for prolonged periods of study. This space should be equipped with a comfortable chair, adequate lighting, and a desk that can accommodate a computer, textbooks, and writing materials. Incorporating these tools into your homeschool curriculum not only enriches the learning experience, but also helps cater to the individual learning styles and needs of your child. Adjustments might be necessary as you discover what works best for your homeschooling journey, emphasizing the flexibility and customization that homeschooling offers. Make sure to look in the description below to see links for all the products talked about and see which are my favorites. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and click that notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching Russell's Loving Life.